Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Amanda, and this is Caleb, and we are a husband and wife team from Ohio who just bought their very first flip home. Come and join us as we document the process of demoing, designing, and building a beautiful home together. We are so glad that you are here.
Today's paint day, which is epic, because then it feels like you're getting a lot done. And look what I got for the paint. I've never tried this stuff. It's like good smelling stuff. They say you just mix it in with your paint and then it lasts like, they say 2 or 3 months, but we'll see about that. All this is sanded. I just need to clean up the floors. We're gonna prime the walls where it's brand new because you get a better finish on there. And then I'm gonna spray all the trim. I'm not gonna have the camera up at all because the last time I had the camera up when I was spraying, it just got all over the camera. I may try to paint the ceilings today. Then tomorrow, I could start trimming out all the walls and getting that ready to go. And that's gonna be awesome because that means we're just that much closer to being done. And then I can start getting floors down, cabinets in, all the finishing fun stuff. So it's gonna be awesome. I actually really forgot. I forgot to show you something. Remember that ugly green carpet and crap that was out here on the back porch? Well, no mas. It's just concrete out here now. Here, I'll back up so you can look at it. Look at this. It looks so nice. I put those 2 little lights in. So much nicer. We got trim painted. Sorry if there's a loud echo. It's very empty in here because we took everything out. But we got trim painted and it looks a mess right now. You have to kind of admit it. It kind of looks a wreck. It will get a whole lot better tomorrow because I should be able to do the ceilings. We didn't really do much of the ceiling other than prime the new stuff up here. You can kind of tell it just doesn't look like plain old drywall. This is all primed. Got all the doors painted. And here's a little tip for anyone painting doors. Just screw a little shim right on top and then you can do both sides without it touching the wall and without ruining the paint. But I got my trim for the windows painted. If you look back here, we primed all that. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. It's getting there. And that's it for today. Another day, another Menards trip. I am pretty much at Menards every single morning. I think they just love me. They have to. But I need a new sprayer tip because yesterday I tried to take that glass panel out and it exploded in that shower. My dad ran over a nail, so his tire was all flat, so he's getting a new tire this morning. What else happened? Oh, I lost the tip to the sprayer, so it's spraying all uneven. Then I found another tip that we used and I was like, oh, well, why didn't we use this tip? And the second I started spraying, I remembered why, because it sprays all stupid too. So I gotta get a new tip because when you do the ceiling and stuff, you can't leave the lines in it. I'm getting a late start too, by the way, because my cute little girls just like snuggled up to me and made it difficult to leave. So there's a cop there and he's gonna see me with this and he's gonna pull me over thinking it's my cell phone, but it's not. So painting, there's not a lot of show, especially when I'm trimming, but you can tell like I trimmed all around the ceiling, the baseboards. So those look pretty good right now. Look, it finally decided to show. Okay, option one. I know. Option one is I could take that door off and stuff again, and you have to be outside to sand it. Or you can use a pressure washer and pressure wash with that disc.
Okay.
You could do that for there and the back. Or you can pull all the staples and stuff that are like in the floor.
I wouldn't mind to finish this just because I started it the other day.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yeah.
Is that
You just
like-
have to move it out.
That's probably like the not important thing to do, huh?
No, it needs done because
Okay.
we need to be able to put trim and stuff back on it. That was good. All right, the little bathroom is painted. Let's go check on Amanda's progress. I hear working up a storm out here. Let's see her. Oh yeah. Nice job.
Thanks.
And the wind's blowing it away for you.
Look at us in our gray sweatshirts.
I know. You can't even like see yourself until you're on the planet. I wonder if I paint my nose.
Anyway.
Paint's all done.
Yep, he's painted the whole house. It looks amazing. I finished sanding the other side of the door, so we're waiting for the wood glue to dry so we can sand that and then stain it.
Man has been pulling staples.
Yeah, I think I got all the staples out of the floor, and I'm trying to clean up a little bit so that they can lay the floor.
Probably Monday.
Monday?
Because the floor's gonna acclimate. Or else it sucks. It gets all like wavy. You don't
Yeah.
want it acclimating when it's together and down. Because you don't want it to move.
Yeah, everything's going very good. The color, very nice.
Very nice. Look at this.
I'm glad we actually, I'll say, so we initially, like a few videos ago, talked about that we wanted kind of a, like off-white, but I'm so glad that we did kind of a little bit of a darker gray because all of that's gonna be white cabinetry, so it like breaks it up a little bit, breaks up the white.
Yeah, I think it looks really good.
Looks awesome.
Ceiling's all good.
Yep, looks amazing.
What else can we show? Just trimmed out the window, so that looks a lot better. Other than like the actual trim.
Yeah, getting ready to clean up this room. I got all the stuff out, and now I'm going to sweep it so that it can be cleaned.
Here's the door she sanded. See, it had a bunch of scratch marks right here from a dog that
And
they never let
They were
outside.
bad. Like, I mean, you can still see a little bit, but it is not nearly as bad. And I'm glad that we rescued this door because
It's gonna
great.
look really nice.
it looks super good.
I tried to convince you to let me get a new door.
And I'm glad that I didn't listen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's kind of, we're wrapping it up. And then they're gonna bring the floor tomorrow to acclimate, let it sit over the weekend. Floors go in Monday.
Floors go in, and then we could like,
Cabinetry, right?
and technically we could just like throw some cabinets in like right after that. It was like down here.
So whatever you want to do, you're doing good. What? You're doing great.
Oh my gosh. We lost these hours ago.
Oh, look, there they are. When we don't need them, whenever done with the job.
Here, let me take your,
Here, you can pitch my head.
yeah. Anyway, that's what's up.
Also, we cannot forget to mention Caleb's dad because he has been knocking out some of the stuff in the backyard. He's got that big tree that was right here. Yeah, he's done a lot of the stuff that Caleb and I haven't wanted to do. So if you're watching this, we appreciate you and thank you for doing all of that.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service. He's loading up all the pieces of tree that he chopped up. So that's a huge help.
Staples up all over the floor. My mom did the bedrooms. Amanda did all this. She mopped it. It's ready for flooring. Kind of stuff to like fill it out in a little bit. Killed it. Love having you here.
Thanks, I love being here. This is very fun. Very, very fun.
I'm back at the house. This is day 3 of flooring, and I'm getting to where I'm over it. You know, when you just want to be done with certain stuff. I'm just about there, but I don't know. It's, for some reason, like I do stuff like this all the time. This is like my job. And I don't know, I get sore now. Like I feel like my butt cheeks are so sore. Like I just went and did a bunch of the stair climber thing at the gym. But my legs and my butt cheeks are killing me. But hopefully this is, well, this should be the last day of hurt butt cheeks, because all I have is the bathroom, the back bedroom, and a little bit of this hallway. I literally just got done with the flooring and I am spent. That is one of the most exhausting jobs. And like my dad helped that first day, but we didn't even really get like that far on day 1. But 3 days it took me to do that, basically by myself. He, like I said, he helped me that first day, which was great. I'd still be behind. Well, let me show you what it looks like, kind of, with trash everywhere. And it's all dusty, so don't judge it too much. This is I'm so glad to have this huge job done. Nice. Well, you can't listen to the music because it'll like flag our videos and take them down. Not really much light in here. Master done. And the bathroom. The tiniest little pooping spot. I still need to put some primer on that. So ignore that. But that's pretty much done. And thank God, because I swear, for some reason, I've never had my butt cheeks hurt this bad after doing flooring. I don't know what I was doing, but I don't know. It must have had me tight cheeking it the whole time. And I didn't even realize it until I stand up and walk around. But yeah, this is very tiring. The last 2 days I've worked till like 6:30 or 7. I don't think it's quite that late right now. Yeah, it's 5:26. So it's longer days, but it's done. Now it's like the way more fun stuff. Like it looks so nice. And then when the kitchen goes in, so nice. This house is making me tired. We started cabinets. My dad had to go somewhere, but we got one more to hang there. And then we got one there, one above the fridge. And then I gotta build that big, tall pantry there. But it's starting to look like a something. I gotta see who that be. Hello? Hello? Who is this? Talk to me, you devil. Now they hang up. Why'd they wait 25 seconds to hang up? I can hear him breathing. It's a freaking cricket. It's like Jiminy Cricket. What was this song he sang? When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. I'm in a cabinet. Better not be them again. I bet it is. Oh, it's my dad. Never mind.